Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom home is approximately 10 years old and is priced to sell. Located in the quiet, well-maintained community of Twin Palms Estate, Clarendon. This house is lovely designed with spacious rooms and adequate lighting throughout. The house has a view of Old Arbor Bay and property in need of minor repair. The land area of this house is approximately 10,581 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37 million or US $240.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.